Oh man, do I have a great one for you today. If you've been looking for a nice move-in ready home in Bemidji, priced under $230,000, our brand new listing is gonna check all of those boxes. We are at 213 Roosevelt Road Southwest. This 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home sits on a double city lot and has a lot of things to offer. I'm super excited to show you around this property, and I don't wanna waste any more time, so I think it's time to take a tour. All right, stepping inside through the back door, which is where I came, you do have a nice little entryway with a ton of cabinetry, your galley kitchen back here, and then it opens up into this nice large living space where right now we've got it set up as a living room and a dining area. You could use it as a really large living room. You could have a bigger dining room table if you wanted to. You really do have a lot of options. Right over here, you do have your single bathroom of the house. You've got a bedroom back here, as well as the stairs going down to the unfinished basement. And then right over here is your 2 other bedrooms and another closet. Now, this 3rd bedroom right now is currently set up as a laundry room, so you could keep that there, not use it as a bedroom, have a nice large laundry room, or you can move the washer and dryer down to the basement and be able to utilize that as a 3rd bedroom. Now, heading down to the unfinished basement, you could easily finish this off and have a second living space down there. There is also another room tucked off on the back side of the steps. You could easily turn this into a bedroom down there with an egress window. All right, I think it's time to continue the tour, but make sure to stick around till the end of the video to find out more information on this property. Let's go. And there you have it. If you'd like more information or would like to set up a private tour of this property, click the link in the description or reach out to one of us here at Team Montgomery. We'd be happy to help you out. This has been Tyler Montgomery with Team Montgomery and 218 Real Estate. Take care.